Landlord Studio is a property management and accounting solution aimed to small to medium-sized landlords who prioritise financial accuracy and tax reporting. The platform excels in income and expense tracking, generating tax-ready reports and organising property finances. Its interface is very clean and intuitive, making it easy to use even for beginners. Mobile apps allow landlords to track expenses and mileage on the go, and one of its major advantages is its strong bookkeeping functionality. However, Landlord Studio places less emphasis on operational tools like maintenance or coordination and tenant communication. Automation features are more limited than the full-service platforms. Pricing can increase as more units are added, and it may not scale well for large portfolios as may be very expensive. The platform is best used as a financial management tool rather than a complete property management system. It suits for landlords who are focused on accounting efficiency and for those who need full operational control and may need to supplement tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.